Simulation and synthesis. Simulation is the process of imitating the real IC, that is getting generated by the Verilog code, in a computer software called simulator. The main purpose doing simulation is to test or verify the HDL code. During simulation, you will inject different values to the inputs of the IC, which is called as stimulus, and check the output against the correct value. You will simulate the design and testbench code together, and usually, simulator will first compile the design and TB, and simulate next. These are commonly used simulators in the major semiconductor companies. VCS by Synopsys, ModelSim by Mentor Graphics and Xcelium by Cadence. In a simulation tool, the term simulation time is used to refer to the time value maintained by the simulator to model the actual time it would take for the system description being simulated. To fully support clear and predictable interactions, a single time slot in simulation is divided into multiple regions and different type of Verilog statements are executed in different region. As a beginner, you don't need to worry about the time regions now, but as and when you learn more professional code, you need to aware of the simulation time regions. Remember that in actual hardware, each transistor will take a small amount of time to propagate the input changes and, the idea of regions was added to Verilog or SV in order to simulate the hardware in more realistic manner. Synthesis. Synthesis is the process of converting the Verilog or Systemverilog code to an optimized gate-level representation of the equivalent circuit. The output of synthesis is called netlist. It contains the equivalent circuit of the HDL with only gates and their connecting wires or nets. You can assume that the netlist is equivalent to writing the gate-level representation of the circuit in Verilog that you learned in the previous sessions. In practice, a net list will contain a lot of information other than the gate-level representation, which are need to generate the optimal hardware during manufacturing.